you kidding me? I'm in Hobart, Indiana. Look at the sky from the jets. I hope it's coming out on camera. I haven't seen yet. Look at the sky from the jets. That's crazy. Yeah, them things are really out there. Anybody know what this for? I'm in Indiana right now, Hobart. Anybody know why they do that? I was just thinking about going to my sister's. I was about 3 hours from her house. I was going to ride there, chill, spend the weekend with her. It's Friday night, and the job called, said we got one. You know what I said, right? We on our way to pick it up. We're going to Montpelier, Indiana. Then we're headed up into Toledo, Ohio, to the Ford plant. So you know what that means. I'm gonna get there on time, but I'm gonna have to wait an hour to get unloaded. I told you the big companies will get you. But I'm out here. It was a nice day today. I'm 13 miles from this pickup. Starting to get dark. I'm 13 miles from the pickup. About to pick this up. We're gonna run this up to the Ford plant. This day, folks, that I'm out here. All right, y'all. We made it. Montpelier, Indiana. We only headed about 2 hours up into Toledo, the Florida plant. But they said ring the bell. Please be patient. It says it right there. Ring the bell and be patient. They'll be here. I don't know what they're making there, but it's a lot of noise. Not too big a place. It's on a dead end road. It'll be sitting over there. So we waiting on them to get here. I hope they didn't just try to buzz me in. I don't know, but we'll see. All right, let's see, get this together, and then we'll go from there. All right, y'all. We got it strapped in. 3,000 pounds of something. I don't know, but let's do it. Dispatch played me. I told him that my limit was 2,500. Just 3,000 pounds. But guess what? I'm gonna deliver it anyway. All right, y'all. I'm gonna walk up in this Dollar General right here. See if I can get me some snacks or something. See when I get out. Well, that's where we are. Look at the color of the sky. That's a nice color, huh? That's a nice color, ain't it? The sun going down. That's hot. All right, y'all. We made it here to Toledo. Just came through the guard shack over there, checked in. Now I'm waiting to turn around, waiting for him to come to this door right here and unload me. Then we're gonna find a truck stop. We're gonna get some sleep, and hopefully we might work on Saturday. That would be nice. I'm in a hot spot area. Maybe I could get one. Who knows? But we're gonna get this up out of here and get some shut eye. All right. Had a pretty good week so far. Hoping to get one more out of this. Today's only Friday. Hoping to get one more tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Please like and subscribe. Just like that, we're done, y'all. On our way to truck stop. I left a brand new tire right there. I don't know if they know they lost it or they left it on purpose, but that tread is good on that tire. Look. Look how good the tread is. It's thick, it's deep too. And that'll fit, 6 lug will fit my van. But I already got a spare. That's why I don't think them EVs are a good idea. That lady's been there for about 35 minutes and now she's finally charging her car, messing with the machine. She's finally getting it now. And I wonder how long she's going to stay. Right now it's 2:54 p.m. We're going to see how long it takes her just to charge her car. See my man over there about to charge his too. There's a lot of people that drive them EVs, but she was there for like 35 minutes. It's now 3:29. They're still charging. 3:35 and they just finished. I don't want no EV. That's a long time just to have your car to run. I don't think I want no EV, because that's a lot. That's almost 40 minutes just to charge the car. What if you were in a rush? I guess. That burgundy car, it just backed in, we missed it. I don't know if you can see it. But you see that burgundy car? He was just here yesterday when I was filming that lady. How I make my money when I'm not driving truck. We just waiting for some confirmation somewhere. We'll see what happens. I'm just looking for confirmation above or below those lines. But gotta have the RSI right. I trade with the RSI. And if it's sitting at 56, you don't want to mess with nothing. Not quite. She gearing up. I'm lining up which one I'm looking at. We're gonna see. I'm just waiting for some confirmation. When I take the trade, I'm gonna bring y'all along. Okay. She's starting to heat up. But we're still chilling because I still don't like that RSI. See where it's at? I need that over that 70 or below that 30. See that? I need it closer to that line. I'm on the 5-minute time frame is what I trade on for now. Sorry about that light. But that RSI is not quite right. And as long as the RSI is not right, it's gonna move slow. I don't want that. So I'm gonna be patient. Patience is the name of this game. Patience and protect your losses. You do those two things, you'll make money. The market's moving kind of slow today, so I'm going to trade with less. I'm only going to trade about $100 today. I just want to put that on camera. So I'm looking at this trade. I want to get in because it's looking good. We're going to buy it. I'm going to buy one contract. It's at 129. I'm going to take it. And I'm not filled yet. I'm filled. Let's go set a stop loss. All right, after I set my stop loss, I'll be back. Okay, we're in the trade. See, I paid $128 for it. It's $129 now. I got my stop loss set. We're gonna give it some time. and see what happens, and then we'll come back. And I'm gonna keep it real. If I get stopped out, you'll know, and if I make money, you'll know. I tried on the other app, didn't work. I got stopped out. For a $19 loss. So I went in on the Weeble app, and as you can see, I'm up. Average price 53. Right now it's 108. I'm actually up 55. So I doubled my money on this play. I'm gonna go ahead and sell it and take the money. But maybe not, because she's still running. Look at that. Hoo-wee. Up $60. Now it's from 153 to 114. Let's cook it up. This is the other way I make money. Just Jay, folks, and I'm trading. All right, y'all, back at it. Got me up early this morning. It's Tuesday morning. We about to scoop up 2 skids here in Toledo. And then we're gonna head on down to Portland, Tennessee. We're gonna scoop up 2 skids here. Slide these on in. Then we're gonna head on down to Tennessee. Piece of cake. I like these plastic skids. They fit right in. All right, let me help them out and I'll get back with y'all. Y'all want to hear something absolutely crazy? And when I say absolutely crazy, I mean absolutely crazy. Somebody stole my toothbrush and my washcloth. I left it in the bathroom. I forgot it. So I almost got to the truck. Maybe 2 minutes went by. I go back to get it. It's gone. Somebody got it. See my lips all crusty, face all ashy. Then I had to be here on time. I go to brush my teeth. My thumb is gone. So we on our way to Tennessee. Let's get it. My toothbrush. What are you gonna do with my toothbrush? I sure hope they don't use it. Something happened. Oh, fire. Dang, a car's on fire. I don't know how well I came up, but I don't know what happened. Louisville Convention Center. I used to work another job. They used to do a truck show there. I used to deliver trucks from all over the country to bring here. But that was a long time ago. A lot of stuff goes on there though. They had a rodeo there one time. I couldn't make it. I want to go to a rodeo once. I would love to go to rodeo one time. I want to do it too. But that fire was crazy. It's getting nicer as the further we go south. Headed down to Tennessee. I'm about 2 hours away. See you when I get there. All right, y'all, I need your help. I'm in a dilemma. Do I go to Family Dollar or do I go to Cash Savers? I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go to Cash Savers because I've never been there. Let's go in there first and see what we can get. I'm pretty sure I know why, but after further evaluation, we're definitely going to Family Dollar. Because I know that place was expensive, and I know why. Because there probably ain't nothing else around here. It was too expensive. I was like, come on, y'all, you're acting like a regular grocery store, and I never even heard of that place. But we gonna go up in this Family Dollar and see what we can do. Let's check it. I got the most Jackleg setup for a kitchen you'll ever see. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use some of these.